everyone, welcome to Saneli F channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, the moment that everyone has been waiting for, Gomora is back on our screen. Please don't downgrade guys. It's going to be lit. Vusignene, who is known as Jack Mabaso, who appear on Gomora. Yeah guys, so yeah, enough about the stories. This is what is going to happen from the 25th to the 29th of May 2020. On Monday, Thathi's hope for justice is snatched away by Jomo's death, but there is a promise of return to the old life. Mam Soto finds a new replacement for Jomo. On Tuesday, Thathi is lured back to the rich world when an old friend offers an irresistible business deal. Ntokozo is given an ultimatum as he gets recruited for crime while Teddy and Langa grow closer. On Wednesday, Ntokozo is forced to join Mamsonto's dealings. Thathi's euphoria is short-lived when she realizes that Pretty was right, nothing is for Mahala. On Thursday, Rodney's proposition gets Thathi's against her one early. Things remain tense between Teddy and Ntokozo as Ntokozo gets pulled more into Sonto's world. Melusi's attempt to bridge the communication gap with Ntokozo takes a comical turn. On Friday, Sonto has a new mission for Mazette and Ntokozo. Rodney gives Thathi a rude awakening while Ntokozo finds himself thrown into a baptism of fire. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.